Hello guys, so today we're going to see a parametric circle window that opens in our Revit software, right? So for that we have to open our Revit software. So we have opened it. So for this we have to go to our family tab, right? So please do like and subscribe before watching this video, right? So now we will go to our new family, right? So go to new. So here we have the metric, right? So we have to add a new family, right? So here we're going to select our metric windows, right? So here we have the windows with trim, curtain walls, windows with trim, right? So we will go to metric family template, right? So we'll open that one. So here what we get, right? So this is the wall, this is the exterior, and this is interior, right? We have all the parameters set up, right? The dimensions of the window, right? So here we can see the exterior, right? So we can see this is the rectangular template, window template, but we want a circle, right? So how do we do that? So we need to make the height and width the same dimensions, right? So here we can go to family types. So we'll open it up. So we have all the family type dialog box. So we want to select the height. Go to Control C, copy. And go here and paste. So paste it to apply. Okay. So now you can see this is a rectangle, right? So they are linked up and they never be different, right? Click to the tab button. So we can select this and we can edit it, right? So we need a reference plane, right? For if you want to create any draw circle, so go to RP. So create one reference plane over here, right? So just for our later use, right? So we go to name as center. So we'll create the DI for the dimension. So now we will land our DI. So select this. So hit the EQ, right? So it is the EQ, right? So hit without the center, right? Select this one, edit sketch. So go to the circular. So select this and delete. Go to modify. Select this one and delete. So now go to circular. Go to here and select circle. So here are the dimensions. Here are adding parameters. So now we'll open the family tab dialog box. So Control C and go to add parameters. So we go to parameter. So it's going to be our radius parameters. Okay. Go here. So now go to add parameter, go to radius. Okay. Select the side, Control C, V, Control V, space divided by 2. Select this, apply. Okay. So right. Okay. So go to 3D. So you can see the void, right? So again go to exterior. So go to the say extrusion. So circle and so go from middle to all to get to the outside, right? So go to this. So in the set parameters, okay. So create another circle inside. We'll do 720 or 720, right? We are done the 720. Zoom it. Select the dimensions. Create a new parameter. Plus offset. Okay. So go to offset. Select the radius. Control C. Control V. Minus 30 millimeters. Go to apply. Okay. If we anytime change the dimension, it will change the height, right? Everything will be changed accordingly, right? With the okay. So we'll add some nice wood material. So we'll take the wood. So we'll go to here. Again, replace. Here we're going to select wood. And select this. Right. Okay. Okay. Finish. So it is out. We have given the material, right? So now we will go to floor plan. So here we can see the interior is pretty, exterior it is inline, right? So we want reverse for this. So connect here. Lock it in place. So we will create a reference plane. So we want to apply a reference plane like this. So go to modify. So next here. So it is. So So we have 30 centimeters. Now select this, extend over here and lock it in place, right? So no matter how thick the wall is, so it will automatically inside it will align here. So right. So this will be the window frame. It will be on the inside, right? So outside it will be printed in by 30 centimeters, right? So now it's for the fun part is going to 3D. So we have to create the actual window doors, right? So for that, so again go to exterior. So we need the center line, right? We are going to place our reference line, right? So this will be a parametric able to rotate, right? If you want to see that, so it is quite at the height. So it is not at 1 meter. So again go to reference level. So we'll select the view range, right? Go to face. So it is not going right. So no problem. To reference plane. Go to home. So go to set reference plane. So we have center one. Okay. Now go to reference line. Place it here in the center. I'm gonna pull it. You can pull it out a bit, right? So I'm gonna pull it out a bit, right? So go to the tab. So we will go in this. Go to this one. So it is logged, right? So if you want to see the view range, so further basically you have to draw a wall, right? So go to components. So just move into project, right? Go to components. So to move into project, so we are right.